Welcome back. This is script 2 of 6 in our series on FLIKI. Today we're covering how FLIKI transforms text to video content with AI technology. So picture this. You've got a brilliant blog post, a killer script, or maybe just some random thoughts jotted down on a napkin while you were having coffee. Now, what if I told you that you could wave a digital magic wand and poof, turn those words into a full-blown video? That's essentially what FLIKI does, minus the actual wand waving. Though wouldn't that be fun? Maybe in version 2.0. FLIKI is like that friend who's weirdly good at everything. You know the type. They can cook a gourmet meal, fix your car, and explain quantum physics at a dinner party. Except FLIKI's superpower is transforming text into engaging video content using some pretty nifty AI technology. Here's how the magic happens. First, you feed FLIKI your text. This could be a blog post, an article, a script, basically anything that can be copied and pasted. It's like feeding a very sophisticated robot that doesn't judge your grammar or spelling mistakes. Thank goodness, right? Once FLIKI has your text, its AI brain goes to work, breaking down your content into digestible chunks. It's kind of like how I break down a pizza, methodically and with great attention to detail. The AI analyzes your text for context, meaning, and natural breakpoints. It's reading between the lines, but without the eye rolling that my high school English teacher gave me. Next comes the really cool part. FLIKI takes those chunks of text and matches them with relevant visuals from its vast library. And when I say vast, I mean vast, like forgot where I parked at the mall vast. We're talking millions of images, video clips, and templates that the AI can pull from to illustrate your words. But wait, there's more. As if finding perfect visuals wasn't impressive enough, FLIKI also generates a voiceover using text-to-speech technology. And not the robotic. This is how humans speak beep boop, kind from the 90s. These are natural-sounding voices that could almost convince your grandma that a real person is talking. The system offers various accents and tones, so you can pick a voice that matches your brand or just sounds pleasant enough that people won't immediately hit mute. What's particularly mind-blowing is how FLIKI syncs everything together. The timing of the visuals with the voiceover, the transitions between scenes, it all flows smoother than a buttered-up penguin sliding down an iceberg. The AI ensures that your key points are emphasized with appropriate visuals and that the pacing feels natural. It's like having a professional video editor who works for free and doesn't need coffee breaks. Now, is it perfect? Well, is anything perfect? My karaoke rendition of Total Eclipse of the Heart comes close, but even that has flaws. Similarly, FLIKI might occasionally misinterpret context or choose a slightly odd visual. But here's the beauty, you can edit everything. You're not stuck with the AI's first draft. You can tweak, adjust, and perfect until your video is exactly how you want it. What used to take days or weeks of work, writing a script, sourcing visuals, recording audio, editing it all together, now takes minutes. Minutes. That's less time than it takes me to decide what to watch on Netflix, which is saying something. In essence, FLIKI democratizes video creation. You don't need expensive equipment, technical skills, or a degree in film production. All you need is text and an internet connection. It's like giving everyone a Hollywood studio in their pocket, minus the dramatic creative differences and exorbitant catering bills. This was script 2 of 6. For more information and to continue learning, visit dmpgh.com. That's dmpgh.com. Thanks for watching, and keep growing that brain.